All right, y'all, gather round. Today, I'm taking you on a journey back to the Wild West with a good old-fashioned cowboy coffee recipe. I promise it's as rugged as it gets and perfect for all you coffee lovers out there. You ready? Let's get started. First things first, grab yourself a sturdy pot. A trusty old kettle works best. Fill her up with about 4 cups of water. Now, here's the secret. Let that water come to a rolling boil. Yep, we're talking bubbles, folks. Next, take your favorite ground coffee, of course is best for this, and add about a good heaping handful, roughly 1 or 2 a cup. Just toss it right into the boiling water. Give it a good stir with a wooden spoon and let it boil for about 2 minutes. You might need to watch it so it doesn't boil over. Ain't nobody got time for that mess. Now here's where the magic happens. Remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for a couple of minutes. This allows the grounds to settle at the bottom. If you're feeling fancy, you can add a splash of cold water to help the grounds settle quicker. All right, time to serve. Carefully pour that liquid gold into your favorite mug, leaving the grounds behind. And there you go, a cup of cowboy coffee, just like the pioneers. Sip slow, savor the flavor, and imagine yourself around a crackling campfire. There's nothing quite like it. Thanks for joining me today, folks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more old school recipes and tips. Until next time, happy trails. Howdy again, folks. Now that we've mastered the art of making cowboy coffee, let's saddle up and take a ride through history to understand where this rustic brew originated. Cowboy coffee, as the name suggests, hails from the days of the American Wild West. Picture it, cowboys riding the open range, driving cattle across vast plains, and setting up camp under the stars. Coffee was a staple for these rugged individuals, providing a much-needed boost during long, grueling days. Back in the mid-1800s, coffee was an essential part of a cowboy's provisions, often packed alongside beans, bacon, and hardtack. The simplicity of the brewing method made it perfect for life on the trail. With just a pot, water, and coffee grounds, cowboys could whip up a hearty brew no matter where they were. But cowboy coffee wasn't just about convenience. It became a symbol of camaraderie. After a hard day's work, cowboys would gather around the campfire, sharing stories and sipping their strong black coffee. It was a moment of connection, a brief respite from the ruggedness of frontier life, and let's not forget the iconic figures associated with this tradition, from legendary outlaws like Jesse James to beloved cowboys like John Wayne in classic Western films. Cowboy coffee has been immortalized in countless tales and movies, cementing its place in American folklore. So next time you take a sip of your cowboy coffee, remember that you're not just enjoying a drink. You're partaking in a piece of history, a tradition that has stood the test of time. It's a taste of the Wild West in every cup. Thanks for joining me on this historical journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating insights and old school recipes. Until next time, happy trails and happy brewing.